G'day guys, Jeremy from TacMed Australia. Today I'm going to show you a mass casualty bag that we've just put together for a client. Now, TacMed, we specialise in doing a lot of custom made, custom stocked trauma kits. So this kit in particular is designed for a law enforcement client, and we've custom filled the contents specifically for their level of training and threat level. So we can customise anything in this bag or a different type of bag. As you can see from the trauma patches there, we've put them on extra. So the bag that we've used for this is the Tactical Medical Solutions ARC bag. So it's designed for response to active shooter, active armed offender incidents, but it's just as relevant to any sort of mass casualty event. This bag in particular is equipped for major trauma, whether that's blast or penetrating, for anywhere between 10 and 10 to 15 patients, obviously depending on their injuries. So this can just be in the back of a vehicle, and when needed, you just undo the bottom of the bag, and the officers or whoever can throw that on their back. They can do this up, and as they go through, they can reach back, they can grab a trauma kit from the bottom and pull it out, and they can drop that at the casualty. So for this one, we've got 10 vacuum sealed bleeding control kits. So they can just leave these at a casualty, and the bystanders or other officers, first responders, can open these up and treat. So these ones have got a set of trauma shears, it's got an emergency blanket, a soft T tourniquet, a lice dressing, and I think that's it. We can also do these with or without a chest seal for penetrating chest injuries. So there's 10 of those in this kit. So on top of the 10 vacuum sealed bleeding control kits in this bag, we've mirror imaged the two side pouches. So I'll just show you what's in the side of this one. So we have two 6-inch Elias trauma dressings, two blast bandages, two soft T tourniquets, trauma shears, gloves. We've got a Sharpie there to write on our casualty cards. We've got two quick litter lights. So they're a soft litter for to evacuate casualties to a casualty collection point. Very common when you see some of the fire they had in the towers in the UK. The first responders couldn't get the casualties back to a casualty collection point where they're meeting ambulance. And this is really common in mass casualty incidents, is getting the patients from the point of injury to the ambos and paramedics. So we've got 4 soft litters in this kit, and then we've got 3 hyphen chest seals on each side, so 6 pairs, so 12 chest seals all up. So that's in a really easy layout there, so people, you can either drop the bags to treat the casualties, or you're able to use the individual components if there's extra casualties or they have more than one injury. So that's the TacMed mass casualty bag that's made in the TacMed Solutions ARC bag. This comes in a variety of colours, including red, black, tan, and I believe multicam as well. So again, we can custom fill these to your needs, training level and risk level. So that's the ARC bag. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or to drop us an email at info@tacmedaustralia.com.au. Thanks for watching.